So here's our front patio, which should be able to come right through this gate. There's Rick. And then we can go along the side here, probably fit through. Here's the existing venting for the furnace. So if we had to run some new vents, we would probably need to come out somewhere in this area or over here. Not sure yet. And this is the room where the hot water heater is. It's right here. And it was measured out at, I think it was 57 inches, 57 and a quarter. And I know that the newer ones might be potentially a little bit taller. I'm not exactly sure. Space-wise, this is a little bit of a tight squeeze, so I need a light for you to see better. It's pretty dark. Here's our furnace. And then we were thinking this could be an area on the wall right here next to the furnace where the tankless hot water heater could potentially go. And there's a plug here where it could be plugged in. And then for the venting, I guess it would go up through the ceiling and then out somewhere along that way, if that makes sense.